Hello friends, today we will do the concept of class 9th, chapter 7, triangles, congruency of the triangles. We are already familiar with the concept of triangle. What is a triangle? Triangle is a three-sided closed figure. But now we will do congruency. What is the congruency? When in general language we will see if anything is kept on another thing, it totally covers it. Then this is known as congruency. If one coin is here, if any one coin is put on that coin, it totally covers it. So it is known as your congruency. Same like blade. If one blade is kept on another, it will not show ki how many blades are there. So this is known as congruency. But in mathematics, whenever we will discuss about triangle, we will see कि when corresponding angles and sides are equal. When corresponding means on same position they are. If two triangles are here, then the corresponding position is this and this one is here. And when all the sides corresponding and all the angles are equal, this is known as congruent triangles. And it is denoted by symbol. Firstly put equal to sign, then this one. This is the sign of congruency. Remember, this is the sign of congruency. Now, how many rules of congruency? Triple S. 4 rules are here. SAS, ASA, RHS. Triple S means side, side, side. SAS means side, angle, side. Third one is angle, side, angle. Fourth one is right hypotenuse side. Right means right angle. Right side, R means right angle. This is not a right hand side. This means right angle, hypotenuse and side. Now we will discuss one by one to them. Side, side, side. I have taken two triangles. If the corresponding side of one triangle to equal to other triangle, means this side is equal to this side is equal to this, and third one side is equal to third one side. All sides of triangle are equal, then these triangles are congruent. Next one is SAS, means side angle side. If in two triangles two sides are equal, means this side is equal to this and this side is equal to this, then the angle contained in these two sides is this one and here is this one. SAS means contained angle in these sides. This rule is known as SAS. Third one is angle, side, angle. This rule is here when two angles are equal, means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle, then the side contained in that angles, means side in between these angles, is known as angle, side, angle rule. Next one is RHS. RHS means right hypotenuse side. If two triangles are here and you have to see 90-degree angle in these two, and hypotenuse, right means right angle must be, and hypotenuse means this side will equal to this side, any side, perpendicular side we can say, and base side it can also be there. Any two sides, note first one hypotenuse and second one is base and third one is 90-degree angle. If these three conditions are there, then we will see RHS rule is there. So next one we will tell some keys to remember. First one is angles opposite to equal sides of triangle are equal, means if in your triangle equal sides are given, this side is given to this side, then the angle of opposite to these sides will also be equal. I suppose we have given AB equal to AC, means sides are given to you equal, then the opposite angles. What is the opposite angle of AB? AB के opposite कौन सा angle है? Of course C. And AC opposite angle is what? AC means B. So opposite angle to equal side will also be equal. Next one is sides opposite to equal angles of triangle are equal. Means this is a triangle, equal angles are here. These angles are given to you equal, means angle B is given to you angle C. Then what is the side opposite to angle B? Angle B के opposite कौन सी side पड़ रही है? AC. And angle C के opposite side कौन पड़ रही है? AB. So these two sides will also be equal, means if opposite sides are equal, it is depends on equal angles also. Next one is side opposite to greater angle is longer. अगर किसी साइड मीन्स अगर कोई एंगल किसी साइड से बड़ा है, अगर एक एंगल दूसरे एंगल से बड़ा है, अगर सी एंगल बी एंगल से बड़ा है, इट इज़ गिवन कि दिस इज 70, दिस इज 60, तो सी के सामने जो अपोजिट साइड है वो क्या है? ए बी, और बी के अपोजिट साइड कौन है? ए सी. तो मीन्स उसकी अपोजिट साइड भी क्या होएगी? बड़ी, लार्जर. साइड opposite to greater angle is longer. Side opposite to smaller angle is smaller. So vice versa. Next is angle opposite the longer side is greater. Angle also opposite the longer side. Same here when I see, when we have given AC is greater than BC, कि ये वाली साइड इससे बड़ी है, तो इट मीन्स AC के opposite एंगल कौन पड़ रहा है? AC के opposite एंगल कौन है? B. तो BC के opposite एंगल कौन है? A. So which angle is greater? B. So opposite angle to greater side will also be greater. Angle opposite to longer side is greater. I hope you are getting. Next one is sum of any two side is greater than third side. This is very important concept. If two sides are A, B, C, suppose 7, 5, 6, means sum of two sides is greater than third side. We will discuss all the concepts. 7 plus 5, 12. It is greater than 6? Yes. Then next case, 5 plus 6 greater than 7? Yes. Then 7 plus 6 is greater than 5? Yes. If the sum of two sides is greater than third side, then you will say it is triangle. It will always be greater than the third side. Now we will discuss some MCQs. First MCQ is, if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, then which is not true? I told in concept, if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles and corresponding sides will also be equal. But you have to see which is not equal, not true. First one see BC, second and third in first triangle, and here Q and R you want, but it is given PQ. So first one is not equal. See next one also, but AC first and third, and here also first and third. In QR second and third, second and third. AB first and second, first and second. So this one is not true because they are not on same position. You want not true. Next is, which is not the criteria for congruency of triangles. I told ki which congruencies are here. Triple S, SAS, yes, ASA and RHS. Clear? Now this is here. Yes, SAS. This one also, triple S also, but SSA is not the rule of congruency. Next is, in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC is given to you, angle B is 50, then you have to find C angle. You know, if triangle is given to you ABC, AB side is given to you AC. Equal, both are given. What is the opposite angle of AB? Of course C. And AC opposite angle is, that is not given, you can see. Three-sided triangle is here. So AB is there, then which is left? C. Same here. AC is there, B is left. So angle B is given to you 50. Angle B is given to you 50. So of course C will also be 50. So this is your answer. Next is, if AB is equal to QR, BC equal to PR, CA is equal to PQ, then which triangle will be congruent? By observation you will see कि what is in place of A. A के place पे क्या पड़ा है? Q. And here also in place of A, what is given to you? A is taking the position of Q. And B is taking the position of P. And B is position of taking here R. So C, what is the problem here? Then next one is C. C's position is what? P. C's position is P. And here C's position is, so by observation you got B's position is what? C's position is P and B's position is R. Means you have to observe in all. B's position is R, A's position is Q. So what is left? C is left. So you will take C and take left one P. From the first two you got AB is equal to QR. So A is Q, B is R, then C is left, that you will take with P. So A, B, C, but you want Q, R, P. A, B, C, C, A, B, C, Q, R, P. So on the place of A you want Q. So only in second one it is fine. So by observation you will see which triangle can be there, but it must be on same place. Next is, two sides of triangle are of length 5 cm and 1.5 cm. The length of third side can't be. आपको ये बताएं कि थर्ड साइड कैसे फाइंड होती है. जब भी थर्ड साइड फाइंड करनी हो और टू साइड्स गिवन हो तो आपको क्या करना है, पहले उन दोनों साइड्स का सब्ट्रैक्शन कर लो और उन्हीं दो साइड्स जो गिवन है उन दोनों की एडिशन कर लो. क्लियर? मीन्स टू साइड्स आर गिवन टू यू, थर्ड साइड you have to tell कि which can be or which cannot be. You will firstly subtract and add them. You will get two results. You will see which is from them is lying between them. Which is lying between them, these can be the side of third side. If no one is lying, then it cannot be. See 3.6. Is it lying in them? 3.6 is lying na? Yes. So it can be. And 4.1 also? Yes. 3.8 also is lying. क्योंकि ये 3.5 है, ये 6.5 है. It is lying. But this one is not lying because 3.4 is less than 3.5. So this one is not correct. Next one is, in triangle PQR, angle R is equal to angle P, QR is equal to 4 cm, PR is 5 cm, then what is PQ? Now you know कि two sides are given QR and PR. You will take QR and PR. QR you have taken 4 and PR you have taken 5. But angle R is given to you angle P. Angle R is given to you angle P. What is the opposite side of angle R is QP, and what is the opposite side of angle P is QR. So what is given to you? QR is given to you 4. So of course QP will also be 4. I hope you are getting. This is a concept, so you have to see which angle is corresponding and which side is corresponding.